Yo, what's up, YouTube? Video we talking about. I just told y'all, like, you have credit unions throw you more money. But you got good credit. We're gonna talk about the offers, blah blah. Yeah, YouTube channels and credit. Yeah, that's gonna help you create as many business credit as you can and YouTube channels. Um, like they gotta have purpose though. Like look at Mr. Beast. Like look at PewDiePie. Like Jake Paul and all of them. Like they millionaires. Like they in the malls shopping for everything they want. Like they don't even need that shit. They got Gucci on every day. You see what I'm saying? Like they got rich off this famous shit. Like I'm trying to tell you, like grow your YouTube channel. Like for real. Alright? So boom. You wanna create videos and have the CDR like so you wanna also repurpose the videos or whatever the hell and promote them in different mediums too, like for your offers. Like you wanna make your thumbnail better, your title better, your topics, your greater videos everywhere better, like that. So yeah, this shit is fire right here. Like you wanna get charge cards. They can help you with e-commerce, anything too, like um your MVP, personal brand MVP. So how will this work? You create like CDR. You create a channel in your niche. You give value. Upload half a dozen to 1,000 videos. What the market wants. Great thumbnails, title, topics. You want to batch like every week. You want to create like videos for like a week further. Like so you want to batch. So it says I'm gonna put like 5 hours into recording this shit real quick for y'all. I got you right for your channel, yeah. So you batch that shit, right? Boom. That's how like you keep it consistent, cause you're not gonna pop until you have like half a dozen to 1,000 videos like around there. So it's like, okay, I'm a batch because what I look like every day trying to like build a small channel. That's why I say, yo, get a job. Check my video on to get a job. I said, yo, check my side hustle, the crypto thing too. So you get some type of like something, but you could like get something for so like you feel me like so you follow me so like you feel not for real like so you're not broke while you creating your YouTube channel, bro. Like so boom, you keep being consistent with that shit, and then when you pop, everything you had going is gonna go into like easy mode, like an engine, like a flywheel. So I'm saying get the business, forget everything. The whole thing about this channel is like get the business. Okay, cool. You got my advice. You build credit, business credit, and you build the YouTube channel, promote it with your offers. Boom. You want to create like a talking head on your phone, on your laptop, like wherever you at. I dropped the videos before, like I was outside, but it's on another channel. I cooked somebody, but I had to delete that shit. So boom. But I was saying build business credit. It's gonna help you. Look, they get reward you with the gold card, like for having good business credit. Come on now. And then you build your YouTube channel. Uh, Boom. Now you lit. You just keep being consistent with it. You get the American Express motherfucking gold cards, and you gonna be lit, bro. Now you got unlimited spending, no limits. Um, yeah, build business credit, upload YouTube videos, consistently. Like I'm batching right now. But at the same time, like I got this all scheduled. Like, yo, check out my checklist too. Sign up, give me an email, you know. Yeah, and check out my accelerator. You wanna learn more about everything, you know. It might just be like, alright, cool, you doing that, and then cool, you doing that. Now that's getting you the YouTube check, you know. But I'm not gonna be fake, bro. I'm gonna still be unbiased. Like, cool, yeah, I'm getting a check, but I'm gonna still be not gonna be fake. I'm gonna be unbiased, like, cause they paying me. Now I gotta act this way. Fuck out of it. I'm still be unbiased. Like, I'm still be me. Like, feel me? So I'm gonna tell y'all, yo, build credit and build a YouTube channel. So yeah. So once you consistent, you put it out consistent. See, now you're gonna start growing, cause it's like it adds up all the time. Like, for real, my shit it's gonna grow once I promote it. Like, it's gonna be lit. Like, 200K credit, you could get man, growth. Just putting the Google AdWords, like, promote yourself, like, in your niche. Like, it's alright. So you want to learn about this? Alright, so check out mine. Sorry about that. Right there, boom. You have all your stuff there that they learning from. And now they know you. They build a little no like and trust from you from that. And now they know you. You just promoted yourself. They subscribe to you and all that because you promoted yourself and your offers. Like, they subscribe. Like, I could do this shit organic. I'm doing it organic. I got more than 2 fans. Now this shit is for real though. Like, that ass, I'm gonna promote myself, bro. I think I'm playing. Like, I'm gonna promote myself. I got more than 2 fans. Like, that ass. I got more than 2 fans. They commented. As a matter of fact, I got 3. They commented for real. So boom. There you go. You consistent. You keep making greater videos, greater thumbnails, topics, um, great videos, great titles, great thumbnail, great topics. You capturing them, you hooking, like you say you gonna talk about something, like you gonna talk about something. Like, you can't be capped. Like, you really gotta talk about something. You say you gonna talk about something, you gotta talk about something. You can't be, feel me, like, if you can't be capped, or you gotta talk about something, you gonna talk about something. So boom. Then you gotta say like, comment, subscribe. And then you keep talking about something, and at the end of the video, no food. Like, I like, comment, subscribe. That way you grow, like, the channel organically, like, feel me? Yeah. And you tell them, yo, sign up to your email, give me your email, sign up in the description first, and then, yo, if you want to learn more, get my program. Sell your house, sell your family's house, and get in my program. For real. Yeah, yeah, for real, nah, for real. And that's how you're gonna get your YouTube checks. For real. Alright, so when you keep being consistent, and then you're good. That's a good credit union, by the way, on the person. But you're building business credit. Credit, business credit, and YouTube channels. Alright. I'm gonna talk about 2 things. I already spoke about the Age Corporations. They had the number on that video. Call them, tell them, yo, look, don't put it public. Send them to me privately. Because the lenders could blacklist it on purpose. Like, they know, alright, this one's gonna do it for the sole purpose of running off. I'm gonna blacklist that corporation. Because they know you're not liable to it. It's the corporation. It's like, you okay, you're just gonna make another one. So, alright. You tell them to give it to you privately then, because you don't want something blacklisted. I'm gonna put y'all right now to some other shit right now. Hold on. You wanna build business credit and build a YouTube channel. Hold on. Alright, bet. It's my shit. You get credit, take it out through POS systems. You go to the bank and you bring your documents in branch. They have different types of managers and all that. There's a relationships manager, loan officers, they got the merchant advisors. For different reasons, you tell them like, yo, help me to get this, and then they're gonna let you speak to a banker, right? You wanna order a POS system from them. It's gonna cost you like $600 and something. Are you able to on the go accept payments from clients that you don't get from your corporation? So guess what? Your other LLC is gonna be supporting that business. Is gonna be doing business with this business. You go next day with the merchant account. They're already used to heavy amounts. You withdraw it, and this is a cool investment where you don't gotta do shit. You just go to Elephant Money. Use Trust Wallet, Pancake Swap. Use Gemini, Coinbase, Cash App. Get BTC, transfer it to Trust Wallet, transfer BTC to BNB, and then you want to get Trunk with a Trust Wallet. You can transfer the BNB to Trunk, swap it, and then inside this site is an engine that creates you returns. They're gonna give you 205% APR. So say you get like, it's on the low end, 15K credit card at 205%. 205%. You're gonna get 30K. You made 15K not doing shit. But it really though, like you're gonna get Sam's Club. You're gonna get FMBO. That's gonna hit for like 40 something K. You still get Chase, Bank, Preferred, American Express. It's like 150K right there. There they got Citizens, Truist. You do the thing where you put 10,000. This is gonna help you do that in the relationship checking account, business checking account. Then create that relationship, you get the business credit off of it. Once you get the business credit, use the credit, you do this, you take off the checking. You had to use that. Just keep using the business credit. You just recircling your money. Like, that's how you create these relationship credit. So boom, you get 40K, 205% APR. You getting 42K a year not doing shit through using this engine right here. There's another engine right now. There's some technology shit right now. I'm talking about that Diamond Team V2, you heard? Using engines, technology shit right here. Do not invest anymore. Game over. Don't. That shit hit. Game over. But this shit is still active. So yeah, that's how you double up on that shit. They have a government's credit money. And you don't do shit. You still eat off that shit. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, just build business credit and a YouTube channel. You don't want to put your face out and do that, then that's what I'm saying. You still eat off that shit. Boom. Hope y'all found it. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.